Hey, this is Frank the Pest Geek, and on today's Pest Geek podcast, we're going to be discussing 2 permanent monitoring stations. Check this out. Okay, so what are monitoring stations? Well, monitoring devices is what we use in all kinds of structures to monitor for different pests. It lets us know if there's a pest present. And in places like food service, facilities, hospitals, these things are indispensable in identifying pest problems before they start, before they become an infestation. And we've got 2 novel ideas today, one from VM Products and the other one from Rockwell Labs. And both of them are extraordinary. Let's talk about it. Okay, so we have 2 permanent monitoring stations. One, Easy Conceal by VM Products. The other is the Desect by Rockwell Labs. Okay, both of these companies I love their products. They're very innovative companies, and we have a need for permanent monitors. Why would you need permanent monitor? Well, if we've all done pest control, we've all used this particular monitor in the past. This is the traditional little paper monitor made by Victor. It is an awesome product. I use it in all my residential accounts, my apartments, for monitoring for roaches and insects. And basically you peel the little thing off, it's got the glue, you put it together, and you end up with a little monitor that looks something like this. It's got the backing of the glue you peel off. You can attach it underneath the sinks, underneath the bathroom sinks, in places where you know pests are gonna be. However, when you're doing commercial, commercial is much more demanding than residential. And you're going to have specialty services that you're going to do that's going to require a permanent monitor. Restaurants, hospitals, high-level facilities, they're going to require monitoring because you're in those properties, or at least you should be, once a week minimum. You need to be inspecting a restaurant once a week. Once a month is too long to wait to do any food service. The reasoning is we can't control what the client brings in to those properties. We can't control where the cargo comes from. We can't control the custody of those products. We don't know what warehouse they've been in, what truck they've been in, if they have a chain of custody, if they've been doing pest control. None of us is known to us, and only the client knows where he gets all that stuff. And so at any moment, a pest can be introduced into a facility. And these are our first line of defense to identify a pest and know that we have a pest problem before it becomes an infestation. That's the whole purpose. None of us can prevent an insect from entering a building because of all those dynamics. So we're monitoring, we're inspecting on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, some facilities, and we need products like this. This is a great product. Both have pros and cons. It has to do with integrated pest management. It has to do with IPM. It has to be situational. There is no perfect product for every situation. However, you got these 2. This I've been using for a very long time. It's been on the market for several years now. And this one is brand new to the market. This is by VM Products. And, like I said, they both have pros and cons. We're going to look at both of these. The easy thing about Easy Conceal is that it's concealed, easy open, easy close for you to be able to monitor. Desect station, however, has a locking device on the side that you have to squeeze and you can open it. Okay? Has these little locking pieces right here that you have to match, and then you can lock them into place, and that's all. How you attach them? Well, Easy Conceal has a peel back, and you basically attach it to a back of a surface and a wall behind a stainless steel appliance, something like that. This one requires that you drill and attach it. Okay, so it's got these little holes for drilling, all 4 of them, and great for putting them behind walls. If they're constantly hosing the place down, they're constantly moving all the appliances, this is what you're needing. Of course, if you have greasy areas, that might be a problem for greasy areas. To attach it, because you have a glued surface, you're going to have to really clean that surface. In back of stainless steel walls where you have greasy surfaces, this might be a better option. How you set these up and how you load them is the same way. Is it has a peel. You put the little peel thing, you put it in there, you're set. You go ahead and peel it back. You stick it in here. You lock it into place. You put the little, and you're set. Okay? That's the basic function of these monitors. Now this one, the DSEC station, has an option, and it doubles as a bait station. In facilities where you have no place to hide bait, you have no place to put it, the bait is required to be put into a station because you cannot leave it exposed. This is a great way. You has multiple baits. It's got this little one in the middle for roach bait. You got for several granules. You can use granules and liquids together. It's very versatile. Why would you use multiple baits? Well, you have multiple pest problems, or bait, or certain pests have multiple food preferences, and you want to give them a buffet for them to be able to eat what they want and, you know, not take it. It's also great that, you know, you can just throw it out if it gets sticky, and you can replace it and refill it. It comes in white and transparent. The reason is these stations come in white or transparent. So depending on which one you got, you can use it there. Again, both of these are excellent products. This one is made by Rockwell Labs, and as you can see, it does take some work for you to be sealing it. This one is made by VM Products. Depending on which supplier you use, they all should have it in stock or should be able to get it for you. Hey, if you've got any questions about these products, check out the links below, because we've got links to both of these products. You can pick these up from any one of your suppliers, whether it's Univar, Target Specialty Products. If not, just get the link and give them a call. These guys are excellent at customer service. They should be able to take care of you. And check out all of our other videos. Do me a favor, subscribe right now to the channel. Click the little bell there, because the little bell will let you know when we got new videos, and we're going to be getting videos out on a regular basis. So check those out. And do me a favor, hey, post this on your groups, post it on Facebook, you know, go ahead and share it with all your pest control friends. And until next time, this is Frank the Pest Geek, wishing you a pestacular day.